Hello everyone, myself Vaibhav Singh and I am currently under internship of data analysis provided by Mentones, and my topic over is coronavirus analysis. So let's begin. So this is our agenda, and first we will go with project overview, dataset overview, then ADA, solution queries, and then summary. So first of all, let's go with project overview. The coronavirus pandemic has had a significant impact on public health and has created an urgent need for data-driven insights. As you all know, the data was very much important in that time, and the work associated with that data was foremost important. So, as being a data analyst, we have been tasked to analyze the coronavirus data set using SQL to derive meaningful insights and present the findings. So, this is the data set overview that was given to us, and it includes province, country, latitude, longitude, date, confirmed, deaths and recovered count. So this is the provided data set, and over here code is let's start from hello.coronavirus, where hello is the database name and coronavirus is the table name, and we can see various attributes like province, country, latitude, longitude, dates, confirmed, deaths and recovered. Okay. Now let's go to EDA. Here we will observe the dataset informations and attributes data type and its conversion into desired nature. So first of all, let us see dataset information. As you are written, describe hello.coronavirus. We will provide the information of the provided dataset like each attributes, its data types, whether they are null or not, there are key associated with that attribute or not. Now the attribute data type conversion, as we have watched earlier that one of the name of our attribute is date. Since we know that date is a keyword in SQL, so we need to change that into dates to just minimize any further error if we encounter. Now we will be converting the data type of attribute dates from string to date data type. Okay. So here we are seeing that set SQL safe update is equal to 0, because we can only convert our data type date into date data type when we just switch off the safe updates of the SQL. Okay, so here we are using string to date function to convert data type of the attribute dates. Now data analysis and insights. Data analysis is performed to gain insights on a data set and find a solution for the given problem statement. Now first of all, we need to check for null values. See where we have selected various attributes from the table, and we could see that there is no null value present in our data set. Now let us see the number of records. Here we are counting the number of records, that is number of rows from our table, okay, and giving its alias as total records. So here we can see that we are having a 78,386 number of records. Now start date of the outbreak, we have used select dates as start date as alias from hello.coronavirus, ordering it in an ascending format, limit to 1. Limit to 1 basically tells us that we will just display the 1 output. Okay, and there is a other function also that select minimum dates from hello.coronavirus. Mean function can be also used on dates. It will also return the same output. So similarly for the end date, over here we will be going with descending order instead of ascending order, and here also we could use max function on date attribute to get the desired output. So the number of months present in the data set. Over here we have used period difference function, and this function basically requires two parameters, that is being start year and month and with end year and month. Okay, and giving its alias as number of months. So here we can see the number of month is 17. Now monthly average for confirmed, recovered and death cases. So we are selecting average of confirmed, recovered, death, and month function basically derives the months of the date attribute, and year function derives the year of the date attribute, and here we are using group by function on dates and year dates. So we could see for each month and year the average records of various attributes. Now the most frequent value for confirmed cases for each month is 0. Okay, and it was most frequent time by 3926 at the second month of year 2020. Now the most frequent value for death cases for each month. Here we are also observing that death count is 0 and its frequency is 4374 on the same month, that is of February month of the year 2020. Okay. Now the minimum value of confirmed recovered in deaths per year. Okay, we have to count or check for the minimum values for confirmed cases, recovered cases and death cases for each years. Okay, so we are observing over that in each year 2020 and 2021 the minimum values for all the confirmed, recovered and death cases are 0. Now the similarly we are doing for maximum values per year for each attributes for like a confirmed, recovered and deaths. Here we are observing that we are having 8,23,225 confirmed cases in 2020 year and 4,14,188 confirmed cases in 2021. Similarly for recovered and death also. Now the total number of cases for confirmed, recovered and death monthly wise. Okay, so here we will be grouping our output on the basis of month, and not only month but also on the year basis, because if we just do on the month basis, then the month 1 of 2020 and 2021 will be combined into one. Okay, so we have to keep it separate, so we are using group by function on 2 bases. So here is our desired output. Now the coronavirus spread out with respect to confirmed coronavirus case. Here we will be saying that how coronavirus outbreak went through by date wise date, and confirmed cases, average cases of and variance, standard deviation and all the desired statistical attributes of our data. Now the spread out with respect to death cases per month. Similarly as with confirmed cases, we are seeing over death cases. Only difference is that we are seeing on the monthly basis over here. Now for recovered cases, we are observing that on 23rd there was a confirmed count of 35, but there were no individual who recovered on that day, so the average variance in standard deviation is 0 for that day. Now country with the highest number of confirmed cases. Okay, here we have used sum function which will return the overall count of the confirmed cases along with the country. Okay, and we can see that the US is leading as the highest number of confirmed cases all over the world. Now the confirmed cases death cases with lowest number of persons. Here we are seeing the country Dominica is the country with the least number of deaths. Now top 5 countries with highest recovered case. Over here we could see that India is leading at a huge margin difference, we could say, against all other countries in the terms of recovered cases. Okay. Now this was all our working in our project, and we could get you some useful insights like first reporting of the outbreak was on 22/01/2020. Confirmed and recovered toll was highest in the year 2020. India performed best in the case of recovery, and US was the worst struck country in COVID-19. So thank you. This was all from my side. Hope to learn on next project.